Jeff, as I track the office market, it seems like we're telling the same story over and over again. Strong job growth, high absorption, low vacancy rates at almost historic levels. It seems like it's an old story.
Well, don't discount that story. Quite frankly, it's refreshing, and that has been the storyline that we've been telling, for the last 2 to 3 years, and it's proven, with the numbers. We're seeing it with rent growth. We're seeing it with absorption levels. Leasing velocity remains very, very good when we talk about our urban core.
One difference I think that we have this time than past times is that we're in the middle of our economic cycle. We're not at the end. Usually we see these low vacancy levels at the very back end, and we still have a few good years of growth left ahead of us, and that's an amazing time to be here in real estate in Dallas-Fort Worth.
It's a good point. Well, I don't want to quote the inning by which we're in. I think this is sustainable, and we continue to see year over year very good job growth. And with the number of corporate relocations that are looking at our market, with what we're seeing with respect to organic growth, it's phenomenal. And typically the summertime here in Dallas is slow. I will tell you that the leasing velocity has not slowed down, and we believe our pipelines, as we move into the fourth quarter of the year here in October and into 2016, the pipelines are full, and we believe we're going to have another good run into this year and into next year.
Almost feels like we're going through some kind of recalibration in our market, especially in our urban core. We have new product coming on that's setting new rental rate levels, and we have existing product that's kind of revamping itself. What do you see happening from your side?
I think recalibration is a very good term, and I think we started seeing that about 2 years ago. We saw a number of landlords start to reinvest a lot of capital into their buildings, not only in the Class A product but also in the Class B product. We've talked about the increase in rental rates. We're seeing the B quality assets push rates basically into A-level pricing from 5 years ago. And so it's again, we're essentially in uncharted waters here in Dallas. It's a very exciting time to be here. Again, we think it's going to continue. We're not putting an end date on when this run's going to end, and we're very happy to be a part of it.